Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. Today we are cooking up a glorious side dish of roasted sweet potatoes in the Instant Pot. Enjoy. All right, folks, for this mash, you only need a handful of items: sweet potato, tequila, of course, and an Instant Pot. Now, if you're saying, oh, but I don't have an Instant Pot, well, you can waste your life away cooking it in the oven, which we'll show you how in the description below. Now, first things first, we're gonna cube these sweet potatoes. We're gonna knock off this little thug butt. Don't wanna eat that. So we're gonna cut these into cubes. No, I don't have a smart process for that. The only goal is to not cut yourself. And if you're wondering, oh, but he left the skins on. Yeah, well, eat the skins. I think your weak gut can handle it. One would suffice if you're just a young boy, but I'm a grown-ass man. So I'm gonna have 2 of these taters. Ooh, watch the fingers on that one. And what makes me most comfortable when handling a very sharp knife, well, is tequila, of course. And always be sure to get rid of all your thug butts. All right, now that we've got them cubed, we're going to saute them in the Instant Pot before we pressure cook them. So all you need to do is hit the saute button, crack this thing open. We're gonna throw some olive oil inside. Yeah, that'll do. And now we're throwing the cubes on top of this nice thin layer of olive oil. Shit. All right, so we're sauteing for 5 minutes. We're gonna let it roll for 3 minutes, then we're gonna shuffle it around for the last 2. At 3 minutes in, and we are gonna stir these taters. Now a wooden spoon would be ideal, but I don't like dishes. So we're gonna let them sit for a couple more minutes, then we pressurize. Now that we're golden brown, we're gonna hit cancel. We're gonna drop a cup of water in, and seal it. So we're gonna click pressure cook, and we're going for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Feels like a lifetime. Three minutes is up, so now we release the pressure. All right, so now we're gonna use this holy spoon to scoop out some juice-free cubes. Now that we've got these glorious golden cubes in the dish, they're ready to serve, or we can take it to the next level and mash it up with some spice. So real quick, I'm gonna mash away. Yeah. So now that we're halfway mashed, we're gonna first throw some butter in it, a little bit of paprika, a generous amount of salt, and we're gonna finish it off with some ground pepper. Now back to mashing. And there it is, a delicious bowl of golden sweetness. Now, if you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe. I need you to subscribe, please.